because sometimes we need to beautify ourselves. So I think that's better for connecting with others. But how can I explain? I don't know how to explain. I mean, not so different. You can change a little, so that is more reasonable. I think so. So it depends on different person. How do they utilize this time? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Especially number 6, one more thing have come into my mind, especially when we are student, when we want a picture, a passport size picture, a tiny picture which we use in our schools, colleges, in our identity card. We usually take pictures from the studio, where if we compare that tiny picture, that photo identity picture, which we usually call it as passport size photo. So in that picture, as you can see, the face of us compared to that particular picture is different sometimes, because they have added some filters so that you will look more, they will beautify your picture more, so that you should look more good looking in that picture. So I will support that kind of a filter. I also support, because you have to look good in your identity card, because people will identify by looking at your car. So at the time, using filters, I think it's appropriate for that. And sometimes if you're going for a job, if you are well groomed, then only people will get impressed and hire you. That's the reason why I always give this tip to my students who are appearing for the interview. I always tell them, please well groomed yourself before going to an interview. Well groomed in the sense means, please cut your hairs. Your hair should look good. For example, in real life, the men don't used to take care of the hair. They used to just cut it. If it is hot, if it is summer, sometimes they used to shave whole head. Sometimes they used to keep only 1 inch length hair. If they go for the interview, if their hair is thin, it is not well groomed, it is not arranged, so they will not love you. If you wanted to create a good impression in front of a opposite person who is hiring you, who is recruiting you, at the time you should look good, especially at the time. If you say no because of the hot summer, because of my hot summer, because I'm uncomfortable, I'm shaving my head, so it will not, your first impression will not look good in front of the person who is hiring you. So these kind of a beauty standards is really common nowadays. In the same way, if you wanted to be air hostess, there also they are seeing your beauty. You know, when I was a child, I used to think that, oh, I want to become an air hostess. But I came to know that my parents also said that you have to wear revealing clothes, and you don't have to wear anything on your head. So it's not a good, appropriate profession, especially for the girls. If man is going, it's completely fine. So it's their perspective. So if you're, and there also the girl is already beautiful, still they are applying a lot of makeup, so that it's their profession, they have to apply. And it's common, you know, especially, have you seen the Qatar Airways air hostess? It's compulsory for all the air hostess to apply the red lipstick on their lips. It's compulsory. It's like an identity to them. If you say no, it's completely changing their personality, or they are losing their real identity. No, they are not losing their real identity, but it's their rule that you have to apply the red lipstick. If you are air hostess in Qatar Airways, so the red lipstick is compulsory. It's their rules. It doesn't mean that they are changing their personality. Okay? So next.